Welcome to Eric Blackman Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackman Guitar. In this lesson, I will show you a left-hand fingering exercise that I use to help me with finger independence as I move around on the guitar fretboard. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and the exercise is played this way. Now that is a lot easier than it looks. To get started, we'll take our middle finger, place it on the low E string at fret 6. Now what we're going to do is play that note, and then we'll take the index finger and play the A string at the 5th fret. So we play this. That's a third. And so what we're doing is moving thirds. We're going to move thirds up the fretboard and use all the strings to do it. We're going to start here, fret 6 on the low E string to fret 5 on the A string. Next, we'll take the ring finger and go to fret 7 and use the middle finger to go to the A string, fret 6. So we did the exact same thing with these fingers that we did with these. Okay, so we're going to move up one fret, and then we'll take the little finger at fret 8, and that's on the low E string, and move to fret 7 with the ring finger. So we did this. So again, next, we're going to move down to the A string and D string and do the exact same thing. We'll move down to the D string and G string and repeat it. Now when we get down to the G string and B string, we've got a flat third interval. But we'll do the same exact thing. Now we're back to a third interval at the B string and high E string, like this. So here's the entire thing, working our way from the low E string down to the high E string, like this. All right. Next, we're going to turn around and go back the other way. Okay? So we're going to start with the ring finger this time, and this is at fret 7 on the high E string. and then we'll go to the B string, fret 8. So we're doing this in the opposite direction now. So here we go. Middle finger to ring finger. Index finger to middle finger. So that was now we'll do the same thing on the B string and G string. Now the G string and D string. The D string and A string. And finally, the A string and low E string. So here's the entire thing, up in pitch and back down in pitch. And believe me, if you work on this one, you'll develop some great fingering independence with that left hand. Well, all right, my friends. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.